Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cube Collector. Today we're going to scramble and solve 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So let's scramble first as much as I can. Okay, I think that should be okay. So first thing what I'm doing is middles or centers. So we got 6 of them. So first we're going to make white color. Okay, we need one more white. Okay, so we done first center. So opposite we need to do yellow color. Do not broken, of course, white one. Okay, so we got 2 centers so far, white and yellow, and next one I doing always red. I don't know why. So we got red color, and next one I'm going to make blue. Of course we try do not broke what we done before. So we got 4 colors so far, yellow, red, white and blue. So last 2 colors going to be orange and green. So need one more, and no, here we go. So we done 6 middles. Next what I'm doing is edges. We got 12 edges, so we need to make same pair, same color, same pieces. So I show in the minute. Let me go do first, for example, blue and white. So we need to find the other one, blue and white, which is over here. So now we need to connect them. So watch me how I doing. So we connect them, we put them on the top. Is that good one, we bring the broken one, and here we go. So we got one edge. So we need to 11 more to go, same way. That's how I did before. Okay, so we got second now. And of course we do not try broke middles. Next one I will do orange and white. Okay, which next one? So we're doing all white. So doing white and green next one. So far we done all 4 edges. We got more to go. Oh, it's already done, just like that. Now I got already 2 done. So I got 3. That was lucky. Actually I got 4. Wow, that was really easy. So we got 4 more edges to go. Okay, next color which I'm going to connect, going to be maybe yellow and red. Okay, so we got 3 more edges, or maybe 2. Let me check. Okay, so we got 2 last edges to go. Also we got like special algorithm for the 2 edges, which isn't that really hard. Here we go. So we done all middles, we done all edges. From this moment we solving like 3x3 cube, which isn't that hard too. It's also can be like few different algorithms. It depends how it goes. So we done basically cross. Now we're going to make what we're going to make. We're going to make 3 first layers. Okay. we got 2 more edges to go. No, not like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So we've done 3 edges. So what we're doing now, cross. But as you can see, I cannot make cross, so I need also special algorithm, which is, I think, really difficult. It's this most difficult algorithm for me in big cubes, but well, let's try if it's work. Okay, so we just make cross. So next thing what we're doing, we need to connect that all pieces like that. So that is correct, that isn't correct, that isn't correct. So we find it's already two done, so we need to do 2 more. So it's a special algorithm which we done it, and we got all connect with that yellow cross. So next what we're doing is corners. We got 4 more corners to do. So we're looking for right one, which is that one, and all of them it's all correct place, right place. So what we're doing now, it's only sexy move. Here we go, and that's how I do 4x4 Rubik's Cube. I hope guys you're enjoying. Of course, and also I do for you some pattern. Here we go. That's cube in the cube. And now we're going to fix that. If you do like this for 8 times, so you can make pattern like this, and 16 more you can fix it. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.